Oliga is a modern and flexible WordPress theme built for creating professional websites with ease. It features a clean design, responsive layouts, and powerful customization options to match your brand. The theme includes drag-and-drop page building, ready-made elements, and support for popular WordPress plugins. It is optimized for speed, SEO, and smooth performance across all devices. With one-click installation, lifetime updates, and no coding required, Oliga makes building and managing a website simple and efficient. Dentelest is a modern and professional WordPress theme with a clean and responsive design. It is built with Elementor, making customization simple thanks to the drag-and-drop editor. The theme includes ready-made pages, blog support, team member sections, and WooCommerce compatibility. It is optimized for speed, SEO, and mobile devices to deliver a smooth browsing experience. With one-click installation, advanced theme options, and flexible customization, Dentelest is a reliable solution for creating a polished and feature-rich website. Gogrin is a modern and responsive WordPress theme designed for creating professional websites with ease. It features a clean layout, flexible customization options, and a smooth user experience across all devices. With Elementor Page Builder, drag-and-drop editing becomes simple and fast, even without coding skills. The theme includes multiple header and footer styles, unlimited color options, and a wide range of custom elements. It is optimized for performance, SEO, and compatibility with popular WordPress plugins. One-click installation and lifetime updates make it a reliable choice for building and managing your website. Petzean is a modern and flexible WordPress theme with a clean, friendly design. It is built to create professional websites with ease using the Elementor Page Builder. The theme includes responsive layouts, WooCommerce support, and one-click demo import for a fast setup. You also get advanced customization options, multiple page templates, and useful content sections like blogs, galleries, and team pages. It is SEO optimized, fast loading, translation ready, and designed to deliver a smooth experience on every device. Fishfox is a modern WordPress theme built with Elementor for fast and flexible website creation. It features a responsive layout that looks great on any device. The theme includes a blog, gallery, Google Maps integration, and background video support. One-click installation helps you get started quickly. Retina-ready graphics ensure a sharp and professional appearance. Regular updates keep the theme compatible with the latest WordPress versions and improve overall stability. Transpaks is a modern and flexible WordPress theme built for creating professional websites with ease. It offers a clean design, responsive layouts, and powerful customization options. With Elementor support, pre-designed pages, and simple setup tools, building a unique website is fast and intuitive. The theme includes useful features like service sections, contact forms, online store support, and performance optimization. Transpaks provides a reliable solution for creating an engaging and professional online presence. ShapeLines is a modern and elegant WordPress theme with a clean and professional design. It offers flexible layouts, easy customization, and a smooth user experience. The theme includes powerful tools for presenting content, services, portfolios, and important information in an attractive way. With Elementor support, responsive design, and many customization options, it helps create a polished and engaging website without coding. It also provides features like blog integration, e-commerce support, performance optimization, and compatibility with popular plugins. Gogrin is a modern and flexible WordPress theme with a clean, professional design. It includes ready-made layouts, advanced customization options, and an easy drag-and-drop page builder. The theme is fully responsive, so your website looks great on every device. It also supports e-commerce, portfolios, galleries, blogs, and popular WordPress plugins. With one-click installation, unlimited color options, and extensive theme settings, you can build a unique website without coding. Gogrin is a great choice for creating a fast, stylish, and fully customizable online presence. Gogrin is a modern and responsive WordPress theme built for creating professional websites with ease. It features a clean design, flexible layouts, and full Elementor support for simple drag-and-drop editing. The theme includes a wide collection of demos, custom widgets, and styling options to help you build a unique website. It is optimized for performance, works smoothly across modern browsers, and looks great on all screen sizes. With WooCommerce support, extensive customization options, and detailed documentation, Gogrin makes website creation fast and user-friendly. Gymcor is a modern and flexible WordPress theme built with Elementor. It features a clean design, responsive layouts, and an intuitive drag-and-drop editor for easy customization. The theme includes ready-made pages, blog support, portfolio options, and WooCommerce integration. It is optimized for performance, SEO, and fast loading speeds. With advanced theme options, one-click demo import, and broad compatibility, Gymcor makes it easy to create a professional and engaging website without coding. Troub is a modern and flexible WordPress theme created for building professional and engaging websites. It offers a clean design, powerful customization options, and an easy editing experience with Elementor Page Builder. The theme includes multiple layouts, custom elements, responsive design, and advanced styling options. With one-click installation, detailed documentation, and compatibility with popular tools, creating a unique website becomes simple and efficient. Troub is optimized for performance, search engines, and smooth user experience across all devices. Religion is a modern and flexible WordPress theme with a clean and welcoming design. It offers a responsive layout, easy customization, and a smooth user experience on every device. Built with Elementor, it lets you create and edit pages using simple drag-and-drop tools. The theme also includes advanced customization options, performance optimization, SEO-friendly code, and one-click demo import. With support for WooCommerce, blog layouts, galleries, portfolios, and more, Religion is a complete solution for building a professional and engaging website. Nuptials is a modern and elegant WordPress theme with a clean and professional design. It is fully responsive, so your website looks great on any screen size. The theme is easy to customize with the Elementor Page Builder and includes one-click demo import for a fast setup. Built-in portfolio, gallery, blog, and shop support help you create a complete and engaging website. It also comes with advanced theme options, performance optimization, and SEO-friendly structure. WooCommerce compatibility makes selling products simple, while smooth animations and flexible layouts create a polished user experience. It is a great choice for building a stylish and functional WordPress website without coding. Gogrin is a modern and flexible WordPress theme designed to help you build a professional website with ease. It features a clean, responsive design that looks great on any device. With the Elementor Page Builder, you can customize every section using simple drag-and-drop tools without coding. The theme includes multiple layout options, advanced customization settings, and WooCommerce support for online selling. It is optimized for performance, SEO, and popular WordPress plugins, making it a reliable choice for many different types of websites. YOUBMX is a modern and dynamic WordPress theme with a bold design and flexible features. It helps create engaging websites with stylish layouts, strong visual presentation, and easy customization options. The theme includes responsive design, Elementor integration, e-commerce support, galleries, portfolios, and advanced content options. With optimized performance and a user-friendly setup process, YOUBMX provides a powerful solution for building professional and attractive websites.